Join your hands and start Omkar thrice. Om. Sairam children. So, as we already finished many things, and today I am going to tell you about very interesting, that is convection in air, and it will help you to understand the sea breeze and land breeze. Before this, Pankti, you can unmute your mic. Pankti Jain.
Yes, sir.
Pankti, Pankti Jain,
Yes, sir.
today is your birthday.
Yes, sir.
I wish you a very happy birthday from all of us. God bless you. Okay, beta?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so we are going to
Thank
start.
you, sir.
Okay, beta, okay. Just see, you are able to see this slideshow, and in this slideshow, this is heat convection in air. This very important point, air is a very poor conductor of heat. It means air does not allow heat to pass through it, isn't it? Because it is poor conductor of heat. Then one thing should be in our mind. So how heat transfer? Actually, air transfers heat from its hotter parts to colder parts by the process of convection. It means by moving itself. You can see this. Before this, I would like to tell you one very important point. That is, I am giving you very important property of water and soil. Can anybody tell me the property of water and soil regarding the heat? Okay.
Sir, can I?
Yes, beta.
Sir, water take much time to become hot and soil take less time to become hot.
Yes, very good. Very good, Lex. It is soil takes less time to heat and less time to cool. Water takes more time to heat and more time to cool down. It means सॉइल जल्दी गर्म होती है और जल्दी ही ठंडी हो जाती है. पानी वाटर देर में गर्म होता है और देर तक गर्म रहता है. Isn't it? अब कोई चीज गर्म होती है तो क्या होता है? Can anybody tell me if something? Okay, we're talking about the air. When air molecules get heated, then what?
They become light.
Okay, then what? Next, after becoming light.
Then it goes up
Very,
and cold air
very good,
comes
very
down.
okay, good. Air molecules after getting heated becomes lighter and moves in upward direction. Yes, because after getting heat become lighter and then they moves in upward direction. Then second thing, suppose as you are able to see me, this is the place and this area becomes hot. So air around this place also gets heated. They moves in upward direction. So surrounding air, cold air, rush to fill this place. Yes, आसपास की चारों तरफ की एयर यहां पर आएंगी and then moves after. So this, in this way, a circulation of current takes place. Is it clear to all? Any doubt what I just told you? Just if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Any doubt to any student? Okay. Now, I'm giving you one thing. Many, as you know that right now, we are using air conditioner. I am able to see Anumega backside, on the backside wall. There is a AC device. Yes. And you can see that AC is on the near the roof. Yes, Anumega? It is near the roof.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
where we kept this room heater? On the floor? Yes or no? During the
Yes, sir.
winter time, we keep room heater on the floor. Now, I am giving you why this happened. If anybody
Yes, sir.
if anybody has
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt in between, you can ask me. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Just see this. This is you can see this picture. What is happening? Hot air is going up and again coming down. A circulation is taking place. Cold air, after getting heated, moves in upward direction. After losing energy, again become cold, comes down, and after getting heated, moves in upward direction. The meaning to say is that warm air is lighter than cold air. Or we can say cold air is heavier than warm air. So, which is heavier will come down and lighter will move in upward direction. How all the air in a room gets heated when a room heater kept on the floor in a corner of the room is switched on. यहां पर हम देख रहे हैं. Can anybody tell me the answer of this question? Ayan. Yes, Soumya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ayan. Yes, Arush.
Sir, when we turn on the room heater,
Yes, beta.
so the hotter air of the room heater goes up and it heated up the room.
Okay. Soumya, I am asking this question: ki if there is a room heater, and this room heater, how all the air in a room gets heated when a room heater kept on the floor in a corner of the room? हमने हमारे रूम में रूम हीटर रखा हुआ है नीचे और हम देखते हैं आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स 20 मिनट्स 30 मिनट द होल रूम सारा कमरा कैसा हो जाता है, गर्म हो जाता है कि नहीं हो जाता है? Yes.
Sir, may I tell?
1 minute Vyom. Soumya, you try to give answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is because the warm air is more lighter than the cold air. That's why it's spread everywhere.
Okay. Yes, Vyom.
So the cold air is heavier, so it is lower than the hot air. So the heater takes in the cold air and gives out hot air.
Okay. Yes, Laksh. Yes, Laksh.
Sir, the heater makes the cold air hotter and when the hot air becomes lighter, it moves up, and this process continues till the
Good.
whole room gets
Yes,
hotter.
correct answer. This is a room heater blowing hot air. So all the air which is at the lower level gets heated. After getting heated, moves in upward direction, and cold air comes down. That also gets heated, moves in upward direction. A circulation current flows throughout the room, and after some time, the whole room becomes warm. This is all because of the convection in air. So basic concept to learn is that this is about that the process of hot air, the process of hot air rising upwards and cold air sinking downward takes place again and again, due to which all the air in the room gets heated uniformly after some time. As what I explained you just now, thus a room heater heats all the air in a room by setting up convection current in the air. In examination, you may face this question ki why room heater is kept near the floor or on the floor, and why AC device fitted near the roof. Now you can give answer of this question. Next thing, the transfer of heat in air by convection. Are you able to see this picture? This is transfer of heat by convection in air. This transfer of heat by convection in air, you can see in this transfer of heat by convection air, this is a candle. Pankti will celebrate her birthday in the evening by using candles. Yes, candle and cake. So this is a candle. We will also celebrate your birthday at the end of the class. Yes. This is a candle and this is the flame. This is the flame. I am keeping my hand here, and one hand I am keeping just above the flame. So I will feel hot here or here, on above the flame or on the side of the flame. I am
Above the flame.
above the flame.
Above
Yes.
the flame.
Yes, yes, above the flame. Okay, okay, okay. Why not here? Yogita, can you tell me better? Amay.
Sir, may I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yogita. My hand is here. I am not feeling hot. Why?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay.
Sir, may I tell?
One minute. Arpita, can you tell me?
Sir, may I?
Please tell your name. Arpita, where is Arpita?
Soumya.
Yes, sir.
Hi, can you tell me better?
Sir, because the candle is burning above.
You can say beta. Correct answer is that ki the flame, hot flame makes the air molecules hot, surrounding air molecules hot. After getting lighter, after getting heated, they become lighter and they move in upward direction. आपको आरती करने के बाद ऐसे मम्मी दिया दिखाती है तो आप ऊपर हाथ रखते हैं कि साइड में रखते हैं? Just to feel the warmth of that flame. Yes, it is all because if you are keeping your hands on the side, you can't feel any warmth. ये मेरे गैस स्टोव की फ्लेम है और मैं साइड में मैंने चाय बनाने के लिए भगोनी रखी है, तो बनेगी क्या? We have to keep on the flame. Yes, उसके ऊपर रखना पड़ेगा तभी चाय बनेगी. अदरवाइज चाय तो चाय के वैसे ही रहेगा, पानी दूध सब वैसे ही रहेगा. So this is very important to understand. Yes, beta. So this is Okay, just see this. This is that convection of. Now next is this is convection currents are set up in air above the candle flame, which carry more and more heat upwards. Air can transfer the heat of a source by convection only in the upward direction, not sideways. Convection currents in air also occur in nature, which leads to the blowing of sea breeze and land breeze in coastal areas. This is very important to understand. Sea breeze and land breeze. All of you know that. What is breeze? Gentle wind is called breeze. Can anybody tell me the difference between air and wind?
Sir, may
Sir,
I?
wind is
Air does not move, but wind moves.
sir, wind is the moving air.
Very good. Moving air is called wind. So what is breeze? Gentle wind is called breeze. When we go to hill station and on the top of the hill we feel, wow, how we are feeling. This is gentle wind. This is called breeze. And the people living in coastal areas, they experience an interesting phenomena, and that is sea breeze and land breeze. And all these two phenomena are based on the transfer of heat in air by convection current. Understood? Now, one more thing. I am asking this question to all of you. If you are living near the coastal areas and there is a house, so your house window should face towards the ocean or away from the ocean?
Sir, may I?
Towards
Ocean.
the ocean.
Towards
Ocean.
the face towards the
Ocean.
yes. So why, I will come to this point later. But what happened during the daytime? Yes, in the very important, maintain silence, mute your mic. During the daytime, पहले बेटा मैंने आपको एक बात बता दी है. Soil takes less time to heat, less time to cool. Water takes more time to heat and more time to cool. Keep these two statements in your mind. Now, during the daytime, the land gets heated faster than water. Yes or no? दिन में क्या होगा? दिन में क्या होगा? मैंने आपको बताया, soil takes less time to heat. It means during the daytime, the land area gets heated faster than the water. So the air above the land becomes hotter and lighter, so rises up. Now above the land, no air is there because the hot air rises up. So cold air above the sea, they rush towards the land to take its place. So we are getting cold air from the seaside, warm air from the land moves towards the sea to complete the cycle, cool air from the land, from the sea moving towards the land area. The air from the sea is called sea breeze, and you can see this picture, how warm air, yes, warm air is moving upwards and cool sea breeze moving towards the land. This is all is land sea breeze. This is all sea breeze. Is it clear? This is land breeze. This is sea breeze. Any doubt to any student about the sea breeze? Very interesting phenomena. How can we understand? Only one thing that is very important, soil takes less time to heat and less time to cool. Water takes more time to heat and more time to cool. Now, second phenomena, what happens during the daytime? During the daytime, the soil gets heated faster. Yes. And air above the soil moves in upward direction. Ye upar chali gayi. And cold air moves towards the land to fill this space. So we are getting cold air from the sea, and this hot air moves toward the water. So air from the sea during the daytime is called the sea breeze. But what happens during the night? Can anybody tell me? Yes, explain, land breeze. What
Sir,
happens
there is
during the
land
night?
At night, the air above the land cools faster than the air above the sea, and air moves out from the land towards the sea. This is called land breeze.
Sir, the air which
Okay. So what happens?
sir,
1 minute. During the night time, ये पानी तो देर में गर्म हुआ, तो अभी भी गर्म है कि ठंडा हो गया?
garam.
गर्म है. It takes long time to heat and long time to cool down. So during the night, the soil becomes cold faster than water. So water is still hotter than land area, soil. So now during the night time, अब ठंडा क्या है? During the night, ठंडा क्या है? Soil. So this water is still hot. So air above the water moves in upward direction, and cold air from the land area moves toward the sea. This is called land breeze. What is this called? Land breeze. Okay, see the picture. This is during the daytime, and this is night. It is exactly the reverse. The water cools down more slowly than the land. So the cool air from the land moves towards the sea, and this is called the land breeze. Okay, beta. So this was all about the land breeze and sea breeze. Now I will come to next thing, but I would like to talk to you. Please switch on your camera. I would like to see the face of all of you. Catherine, yes, Soumya, Ram, Vyom, many of you are there. Arush. So are you making notes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so please send me your notes PDF to
Yes,
my personal window. भेजते जाइए.
Of which chapter?
Which chapter? First, second, third is over?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, fourth also done.
fourth also done. तो फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ सारी भेजिए. मैं आपके लाइव कैमरे में आपकी नोटबुक देखूंगा. किसी भी बच्चे से बोल दूंगा open your camera, show me your notebook and भेज दे. Please mute your mic. Whose mic is open? Okay. So this is Catherine. You are making notes.
Yes, sir. अभी fourth का ही नहीं बस.
Okay, no problem. Nitish, Meena. Nitish, Meena.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
काम कर रहे हो बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Is it clear? Now, land breeze and sea breeze, the complete part
Yes, sir.
of syllabus, this chapter heat is over. And very soon I will conduct a test, maybe on Saturday. Is it clear? I will take 10 or 20 questions MCQ test, and you will get the link of that MCQ in the chat box.
Sir,
And
of
I will
chapter
send
8.
chapter heat, and you will, within 10 to 15 minutes, you have to submit your answers. You can see your own score. कि आपके कितने सही हैं वो आप चेक कर सकते हैं. Is it clear? Any doubt to any student? Even suppose you are studying the chapter heat in the evening and you found something, so doubt, so you can send that doubt to my personal window in WhatsApp. Chapter heat test will be on coming Saturday. Is it clear? Now I am sharing you that question answers we started on that day of this textbook question answer. So I am showing you the question answers again. Few questions we discuss on that day. So
Sir,
see the
now we
question.
will write the whole exercise in copy of
Yes, why
chapter.
not? You have to write the exercise in your notebook, and later I will give you some extra questions also. Just see. We already discussed similarities and differences between clinical and laboratory thermometer. Fill in the blanks we already discussed. Yes, we were measure the following. Land breeze blows during night.
Night.
Sea breeze blows during
Day.
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 dark colored clothes are preferred during
Winter.
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 light colored clothes.
Summer.
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 Now another question. Why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody? Why wearing more layers of? Yes.
Sir,
In winter, it is preferred to wear more layers of clothing because the air trapped between the various layers prevents the flow of heat from our body to the cold surroundings, and hence it keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing.
Yes, we already discussed. Air is poor conductor of heat, and if we wear more than one layer of clothes, the air trapped in between the layer increases insulation and keeps us warmer. This is very important question. Question number 5. This is, you can see this picture. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
sir.
So some places are there, and we have to think from where the heat is transferred by conduction, convection, and radiation. देखिए, I am giving you answer. This is radiation, जो दूर से हो रहा है, conduction and convection. Heat is transferred to different parts of the vessel through conduction. Heat is transferred in water through convection. Heat is transferred from the vessel to the flame to the flame to the surrounding through radiation. अगर ये बर्तन बहुत गर्म है तो अगर हमको दूर से भी गरम गरम महसूस होगा कि नहीं होगा? It is because of
Yes, sir.
radiation.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Radiation.
very good. Now this is another question. In places of hot climate, it is advised that outer walls of houses should be painted.
Soumya. Sir, Soumya.
Sir, may I do?
Answer is already written.
Sir, may I, Soumya?
Sir, can I?
Sir, Soumya.
Yes, yes.
Sir, may I, Soumya Mishra?
1 minute, beta. Any new student?
May I catch sir?
Sir, may I?
Lakshya.
Yeah.
Sir, may I Pankti?
Parashar. Ram Parashar. Can you read the answer?
Soumya.
Or can you give your answer by yourself?
Soumya.
Okay, I am giving you answer.
Sir, may
In places of hot climate, mic mute. In places of hot climate, it is advised to paint the outer walls of houses white because the white colors reflects most of the heat that falls on it. We already discussed. So white color absorb
Yes, sir.
white color absorb lesser amount of heat and reflect most of the heat, and we feel cool. Yes, very interesting question. Next, 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. Catherine, what
Soumya.
will,
Yes, sir.
what will be the
Sir, may
temperature
I?
of the
Sir, may
mixture?
I?
Catherine,
Soumya.
Catherine,
Sir, between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius.
between 30 and 50 degrees Celsius. Can you tell me why? Answer is correct, between 30 to 50, because hot water loses heat where the cold water absorbs heat energy. So the temperature of the mixture will be between 30 to 50 degrees Celsius. चलिए, an iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. Iron Pathan,
Soumya, sir.
iron. Iron is there. Okay, Amay Bhor. Amay Bhor. Okay, Pankti.
Sir, may I? Soumya.
Yes, Soumya.
Sir, may I? Yes, sir. The answer is B. Not flow from iron ball to water or water from iron ball, because the both temperature is 40 degrees Celsius.
Very good. It is correct. आइसक्रीम खाते हैं? अच्छी लगती है? हाँ तो
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
साराक्षी दीदी आइसक्रीम खा रही हो कि नहीं आजकल?
No, sir.
साराक्षी तो खा रही है। तो साराक्षी ये बताइए कि जो वुडन स्पून देते हैं ना, कप में, आइसक्रीम कप है, वुडन स्पून है, वुडन स्पून क्यों दी जाती है?
Sir, because it's not an insulator.
It's not a conductor, it is an insulator. अगर मैंने अपनी आइसक्रीम के कप में स्टील की स्पून डाल दी तो वो स्टील की स्पून ठंडा हो जाएगी कि नहीं?
Yes.
But
Yes, sir.
wooden spoon, it will not become cold and we feel okay. Fantastic. Yes. So this is
Yes.
these questions are very important. So I hope सारे क्वेश्चंस लगभग हो गए हैं. आप लोग इनको करिएगा. और एक चीज मैं आपको और दिखाना चाह रहा हूं.
Sir, one question is left.
One question that we will. Yes, what is that? Stainless
Sir,
steel.
stainless steel pans.
Steel pans are provided with copper bottom. What is the reason? Copper is good conductor
Sir,
than
may I?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Copper is a better conductor of heat than stainless steel.
Yes. So whenever we give answer of any question, we should know the actual reason. Is it clear? So now I am showing you something new questions. These are the example. I will not give you answer.
Sir, we have to do by in copy for extra questions.
First you finish the textbook questions, then later you start doing extra questions. Is it clear? Just see.
Yes, sir. Sir, these are extra questions.
These are the extra questions. Are you able to see it?
No.
You are not able to see?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, now it is.
Yes. A marble tile would feel cold as compared to a wooden tile on a winter morning. आपके यहाँ मार्बल लगा है या वुडन है? फ्लोर क्या है? मार्बल और
Marble.
Marble.
तो during winter morning, marble tile feel cold. Why? There are 4 options.
Option A, because it is a better conductor
Is a
of heat than
better
the
conductor
wooden
of
tile.
heat than the wooden tile.
Yes, Adit. Yes, Adit. It is correct answer. The marble tile is a better conductor of heat than the wooden tile. That's why we found in the hotels the floor is wooden floor, just to avoid overheating and cold. Second question. A beggar wrapped himself with a few layers of newspaper on a cold winter night. This helped him to keep himself warm because
Option B,
Because
Option B.
air trapped between the layers of newspaper in a bad conductor of heat.
is a bad conductor of heat. Yes, it is correct. Correct. Now, third question. Paheli and Buzo measured their body temperature. Paheli found her to be 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Buzo recorded 37 degrees Celsius. Which of the following statement is correct?
Option C, both have normal body temperature.
Option C, both have normal body temperature.
नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर. ये तो वही बात हुई कि आज सुबह में मॉर्निंग वॉक गया था तो एक दोस्त बोला कि आई वॉक अप टू 1 किलोमीटर एंड सेकंड टोल्ड आई वॉक अप टू 1000 मीटर. बोथ आर सेम. ट्रेवल इक्वल डिस्टेंस. Yes. Now just see one more thing. Yes, fifth question. Quite interesting. 4 arrangements to measure temperature of ice in beaker with laboratory thermometer. Which one of them shows the correct arrangement for accurate measurement of temperature?
A.
Sir, D. D.
Sir, C.
Sir, D.
Correct. D is totally wrong.
C.
C is correct. C is correct.
C.
It is. ये देखिए इसमें नीचे डूबा हुआ है. सी में अभी आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या ये पानी के ऊपर है. तो बॉटम से प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक. बॉटम से टच भी नहीं होना चाहिए, सरफेस के ऊपर भी नहीं होना चाहिए, टिल्ट भी नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके. यस
Sir, I was confused because when we take our temperature, we take it tilted. We hold it like
we are
not.
we
hold
are
it,
we
not
are
shaking.
using laboratory thermometer, not our body temperature. Sarma ji. Okay. Last question.
Yes, sir.
Last question, beta.
Yes, sir.
Shopkeepers selling ice blocks usually cover them with jute sacks. Why?
Sir, because jute sacks are insulated.
Because they are
Yes,
bad
very good.
conductor. They are
Air
insulators,
trapped
bad
in
conductor of heat.
jute bags, jute sacks, and that does not allow heat to enter and exit. So ice becomes ice in solid form. Last question. Are you able to see 2 thermometer A and B?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thermometer A is kept 7 centimeter away on the side of the flame, while a similar thermometer B is kept 7 centimeter above. Which of the thermometer will show a greater rise in temperature? A or B?
B.
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 B. B.
Because hot air
Rises up.
upwards. Hot air rises upwards. That's why. Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
we will do Santi part, and after Santi part, we will celebrate birthday of Pankti. Okay? Join your hands. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram, wait.